Welcome to the Saleforce Opportunities to SYSPRO Orders template configuration video. The following video will assist you in the configuration and deployment of the BPA Platform Salesforce and SYSPRO tasks and associated staging database. It will act as a companion to the documentation and will highlight aspects of the solution that will require alignment with your own systems. You will require BPA Platform 2021, the Microsoft SQL Server Connector tool, Microsoft SQL Server 2012 or above, available to host the staging database, SYSPRO version 8, pre-alignment of SYSPRO master data records with system-generated unique identifiers, the Salesforce Connector tool, the SYSPRO Connector tool, and a dedicated Salesforce user for BPA Platform. The BPA Platform-related software can be downloaded via the partner area on the Codeless Platforms website. To obtain the template assets, please contact your account manager. Firstly, let's open Microsoft SQL Server Management Studio. Then navigate to File, Open, and File. Then from the Downloaded Resources folder, locate B2C Staging DB v4_2.sql and click Open. Then click Execute. This will generate the staging database for our template tasks. Once completed, we can now see the script has generated the following tables and views as seen here. You can now close Server Management Studio as it is not required for the rest of the setup. We can now open BPA Platform. From here we will click the Import button and in the Downloaded Resource folder, locate the SYSPRO and Salesforce Sales.connection file and click Open. You now need to configure the newly imported connections to your own requirements. Go to System, Tools, Data Connectors, and open the Microsoft SQL Server Connector tool. Click the B2C Staging DB v4_2 SYSPRO SF Sales, and then edit. And then click Next. In the Agent Connection General node, ensure Use Localhost is selected if the SQL Server is installed on the same system as BPA Platform. And click Next. You will need to align the custom port number to your own environment, which you can set here. Moving on to the SQL Server Connection General node, enter your login details. Once completed, use the Test Connection button to ensure this is configured correctly. On the Database node, in the SQL Server Database dropdown, ensure B2C Staging DB v4_2 is selected. Then click the Refresh Cache button. The Business Object Designer tab shows the imported objects. These were established at the import stage and no further configuration is required. Click OK. In the pop-up, click Yes. Add OK again to close. Next, open the SYSPRO Connector tool. Click the SYSPRO Demo Database connection and then edit. From the Agent Connection tab, click Advanced. This is where you can define the custom port number for your configuration. Click the SYSPRO Connector tab. Here is where you will need to enter your SYSPRO server credentials. If it is installed on the same machine as BPA Platform, enter localhost. Click the Advanced tab to configure the port number. Then enter the login details and use Test Connection to ensure this is configured correctly. Click OK, add OK again to close. We now need to create a BPA Platform user for the call task steps used in this template. Go to System, Users. In this demonstration, we already have a user named Call Task. If you do not have a user with this name, you will need to create one named exactly as shown here. On the Server Roles tab, ensure you select all the administrator roles for this user. The template tasks will not work without this. Click OK to save and close. Next, we need to configure the Call Task tool. Go to System, Tools, Execute, and Call Task. Edit the configuration named SYSPRO and Salesforce Sales. Ensure the user for this configuration is Call Task, with a password that matches the Call Task user created previously. In the Folder tab, expand the SYSPRO and Salesforce tree and select the Sales folder. Click OK. In the pop-up, click Yes. Add OK again to close. OK for this, go to System, Tools, Skit. Open the Salesforce Connector tool and edit the Salesforce connection. Here is where you will need to enter your Salesforce login details and security token. Once this is completed, use Test Connection to ensure this is configured correctly. Click OK. Add OK again to close. It is important to note that the task import should only be done at this point in the process. Let's select the Tasks folder and select Import. From your downloaded template folder, locate the SYSPRO and Salesforce Sales.tks file, and then click Open. You should then see the tasks are now available in their respective folders. And that's it for this video. If you require more details on this installation, please see the accompanying documentation or the tool white papers. If further assistance is required, please contact your account manager. Thanks for watching.